What's going on, everyone? This is the Tusk Ratcheting Scissor Jack wrench. This is purpose built to make it so that when you're using your scissor jack, you can use it easier and quicker than ever before. And it's nice and small, so it's going to store away easy and be ready for the next time you need to put that UTV up in the air. Now look, generally speaking, whenever you're pulling the scissor jack out, something has gone wrong. And to be honest with you, the old bent metal rod style tool that you needed to use to dial this thing up and down was a pain, and it made a hard situation even harder. Now Tusk has done away with that and brought out a handful of really cool ways to work your scissor jack, and this is one of my favorites. So now when we start off with talking about this tool, this is a plastic tool with metal backbones and then metal gears, so it's going to be nice and durable, but it also makes it light. This thing weighs in at 12 ounces. That's 3/4 pound, so not much to carry around. Now this is also 13.5 inches long. So it's going to store away nice and easy, whether it's in a tool roll or in one of your bags in the back of your side-by-side. Now when it comes to using this tool, we made this so it will work with most of the loop style scissor jacks that you're going to see. It's got two different size tooth engagements in here. The first one is 27 millimeters across by 7 millimeters wide. And then the next is 25 millimeters across and 5.5 millimeters wide. So this thing is going to work on most scissor jacks. Now I will tell you, this tool now comes standard with our scissor jack kit, and ours uses the larger of the two teeth options. Now, if you do happen to have one of these scissor jacks and it doesn't have the size of loop that you need to work with this tool, this comes with an adapter kit. It installs nice and easy, and this actually utilizes the smaller tooth setup, but it's going to make it so regardless of what scissor jack you've got, as long as you've got the loop style, if you can install this, you can use this little tool. This thing is going to be awesome when it comes to utilizing your scissor jack, making a bad situation just a little bit easier. Go ahead and pick yours up by clicking on the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.